Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into how to use Asana for Agile project management, your complete guide for 2025. Let's kick things off by setting up our project in Asana. Go ahead and click on the plus button, then select Project. Name your project and select the board layout. This is critical because the board layout gives us a visual representation of our workflow, essential for any Agile project. Now that we've done that, it's time to add our tasks. Click on the Add Task button, enter the task details, and assign it to a team member. Remember, in Agile project management, everyone has a clear responsibility, and this is where we assign those responsibilities. Next up, let's add our columns. Click on the Add Column button and create columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. These columns represent the stages of our workflow. They help us track the progress of tasks and make it easy for everyone to see what's happening at a glance. Now, let's talk about sections. Click on the Add Section button within a column to create a section. Sections are like subfolders that further categorize tasks. This helps us because it breaks down our project into manageable chunks, making it easier for the team to tackle. The reason we do this next step is to ensure we're on top of our deadlines. Hover over a task and click on the Due Date button to set a due date. Staying on schedule is crucial in Agile project management, and setting due dates keep everyone accountable. Finally, let's use Asana's tag feature. Click on a task, then click on the tags icon and type in your tag. Tags are helpful because they allow you to categorize tasks based on priority, type, or any other custom category that suits your project. And that's it. You've just learned how to use Asana for Agile project management. With these steps, you're well on your way to running a smooth, efficient, and agile project. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.